Look at all this corn! This is gonna be our best harvest ever! What is that? If we work together, we can finish faster.
I think there's something in the stalks.
We need to find a way to defend ourselves. We need to do something quickly. What do we have to work with?
Look at this!
This is great!
Is it the python or the giant centipedes causing this chaos?
I think it's the python.
We need a plan.
I'm listening.
There has to be a way to stop them.
What if we try to?
Our combined skills are essential to stop them.
Together we can do this. We need to distract it.
I'll get the python, you guard the corn.
Do you really think this will work? Against those centipedes? I hope so.
We need to move it.
The corn, that's it.
They just keep multiplying.
It's so many.
You drive,
No, you distract them.
but I can't. What if we lure it? With what?
Titi, we have to make sure the ropes are super tight.
Don't worry, Ali. This python won't escape. We have to go now.
They're right behind us, Ali.
You see how they avoid the light?
They don't want us to find them.
No, I'm telling you, this is how we do it.
No, that's not gonna work. We should combine them.
Do you think it will be strong enough?
It looks very strong, Ali.
We need to avoid the python.
And the centipedes, too.
We did it! Yes, take that.
We really showed that python who's boss, didn't we?
We certainly did.
The fire keeps them away.
Yes, that's it.
These will work.
Yes.
Yes.
That was too close, Titi.
The centipede army almost got us, Ali.
These are centipede eggs.
That's really dangerous. Watch out, Ali! Get out of here, snake!
Sound travels through the air. Yes, and it hits the ground. This will help protect our future harvests. Absolutely, from those giant creatures.
We'll tell them this is how we loaded the corn, right? And they'll never believe us, Ali. It's back. What do we do?
We need a backup plan.
We have to find a way to lure them away, and fast.
I'm on it. Just hang on.
Woo! We made it! That was close.
Now. Just a little more.
So we're gonna use the drone camera. Yeah, we can get a good track on that centipede nest from up here.
We should go that way.
Swim this way.
I'm right behind you.
We make a great team.
Escape. Yes, we do.
We were so close to losing everything.
It's a miracle the harvest survived.
I totally outsmarted him. No, my moves were way quicker. I hope it won't come back.
It might.
It might.
What do we do now? We need to hide.
We're gonna surprise him.
Are you sure this will work?
Did you see where they went?
I think they're moving that way.
The light scares them.
Just keep moving.
It's too big, Ali. We can do this, Titi. This might slow them down. Maybe just a little.
We must protect our harvest from the python. It won't get past us.
Titi, this harvest is so heavy. Tell me about it, Ali.
We need to get them off. Quickly, Ali! The stick!
The python dislikes the water. You're right.
We'll tie these together.
Yes, that will be perfect. And then we can trap the centipedes in the pit.
Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, let's go!
How do we get out of here? We have to be quiet.
We need to distract the python with scent.
The strong herbs will confuse it.
Keep going, the centipedes are gaining on us.
I'm trying. Let's head for the river.
It's a centipede nest, Ali. We can't go down there.
We got him. Yes!
Did you hear that?
What was that clicking noise?
We need to protect this corn until we reach the market. Don't worry, Ali. We'll make it.
We can go this way. It's a shortcut.
No! We need to avoid the giant bees.
We need to break the bridge. Okay, pull this rope.
We need to move fast. This way, Ali.
Stop stealing our corn. We'll chase them this way.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Python, python, python!
Did it work? It works!
What if the python uses it?
It would be hard to know for sure. This smoke is going to drive the centipedes away.
Yes, that's what we need. We make a pretty good team.
Yeah, we do.
Titi, they're still behind us. Ali, we have to go faster.
It's getting so close, getting closer.
I know.
This will fool those pesky centipedes.
They won't know what hit them!
We have to work together now.
We have to work together now.
Yes.
We have to get out of here. Look, maybe through the roof.
They're running away.
Yes, the noise is working.
Our corn! Corn! What do we do? How do we rescue it? How do we rescue it?
See, the bright light truly weakens them.
Indeed, their movements are slowing considerably.
Got him. Yeah, right there.
How many are left?
I don't know. I think it's still many.
We must protect this harvest.
At all costs.
We did it!
Yes. Yes. We are safe now.
We're gonna make so much money! I know, I can feel it.
This corn is so fresh, you won't find better anywhere.
The best in the market, guaranteed. If we buy gifts for the children, they will be so happy.
Yes, they deserve it.
Kids love the wooden trains. Yes, and that little red car is so cute too. Let's surprise them all. They will be so happy. That was a crazy battle, wasn't it? Yeah, I thought we were done for.
Happy holidays, everyone!
So many presents for the little ones. All our hard work was worth it. Yes, it truly was.
Tomorrow, we gather the sweetest berries.
Yes, and the juiciest mangoes. The python tried to steal the corn. I remember that.
This time, our traps will be perfect.
I agree. Let's make them even stronger.
We need to ensure the perimeter is secure, especially near the old oak tree.
I agree. Keeping the farm safe is our top priority.
We promise to stand together through anything, no matter what comes our way.